am.co.za has been operational in South Africa since 2013, with its main warehouse in Jet Park, Gauteng, and a second branch in Montague Gardens, Cape Town. We stock a large variety of vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, CNC routers, Fibre laser markers, label cutters, large format printers, flatbed printers, heat presses, and a large variety of inks and printing paper, and much more. We also stock an extensive list of spare parts for all our machines, and back our machines with an excellent technical department. So give our dedicated sales team a call with any query you might have and join the celebrative spirit of our 8th year in business.
Well, the quality looks great and the price looks excellent too.
We are really happy with our AM machines and the prices are amazing.
I'm very satisfied with AM's machines. I have the vinyl cutter, heat press, laser engraver and 2 large format printers. I am very happy with what I'm getting from them and I would not go anywhere else.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. am.co.za. Achievement matters.